Have you ever taken a photo of a page or received an image with text and then wished you could just edit that text? Typing it all again takes so long, and copying from an image seems impossible. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to turn any image into editable text using Systweak PDF Editor step by step. Download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Open Systweak PDF Editor on your PC. At the top menu bar, click on OCR. Go to Perform OCR. Here, select OCR from Image. Now click on Add Files. Select the image you want to convert and click Open. In the OCR option, make sure Scan to Editable Text is selected. In Convert mode, pick the format you want. You can choose PDF, Word, Text, Excel or PowerPoint. I'm going to select Word so I can edit the text in Microsoft Word. Next, in the language option, select the language of the text in your image. This helps OCR recognize characters correctly. Choose an output folder where you want the converted file to be saved. Finally, click on OCR now. The OCR is complete and the file has been saved. Let's open the file and check it. Here's the file. I'll open it in Word. As you can see, the structure and format of the text is the same as it was in the image. You can now easily edit and modify the text. That's it, simple and fast. If you found this useful, hit like, share the video and subscribe to our channel. And tell me in the comments which image to text problem you face. I'll try to cover it in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.